where does it exactly fit, and does it even belong in your SME story? Perhaps it doesn't, and you don't need it. Then we'll talk about how you can create campaigns with real world impact. What are some of the do's and don'ts? And we will talk about some practical tools for branding and targeting and measuring what matters. So this is where we start. जब मैंने अपनी presentation start की तो I spoke to you guys about the why, where, when, how, and who of I think that's the 5 W's. Maybe I'm mixing it up now, but ये हैं वो core principles जो एक marketer को lead करते हैं. जैसे 5 W's journalist को lead करते हैं, journalist always starts with those 5 W's and 4 W's and 1 H essentially. A marketer starts here. They think about who are they talking to. And clarity on this is super important, especially in the case of digital, because who you're talking to can actually guide you in where you want to be. Because on digital, more often than not, your community already exists somewhere or the other. You just need to know where they are so you can be there too. Goal. What do you want them to do? Now this can be as detailed. आप इसको जितना break down करना चाहते हैं आप कर सकते हैं, or you can keep it simple as well. I need this much sale out of my conversion campaign. That's a goal. Another is I want इतने impressions इतनी हो because मेरा awareness इससे मैं track करना चाहता हूँ. Platform. Where will you show up? And this again ties to audience because on digital you can choose your platform based on who your audience is. Message. This is also half the battle one. What will you say and how will you say it? Very important to have clarity. And again, budget. Because marketing, like it or not, it does spend your money. But how much can you invest and how much can you experiment? That will really even things out for you and put the framework in front of you के where you're at. थोड़ी सी reality check हो जाएगा. अब हम strategy 101 पे बात करेंगे कि how do you build that digital marketing strategy and what all goes into it. Now this is the framework for a very simple digital strategy for a business owner who is starting their brand and wants to leverage digital to market it. They start with these 5 core elements and these are similar to the overview I gave you for marketing. That's how a marketer thinks. This is how a digital marketer thinks. Objectives. अब यहाँ पे हम थोड़ा सा jargon introduce करना शुरू करेंगे. Awareness, conversion, retention. ये थोड़े से आपके objectives में further shortlist करते हैं कि आपके goals क्या हैं. Awareness करनी है आपने तो you should be specific. Don't be expecting conversion. Conversion will always be a plus because awareness होगी तो शायद कोई एक बंदा आपकी ad पे convert भी हो जाए. Channels क्या होंगे उसके? What is the platform that you are going to be using in this digital core strategy? Will it be Instagram? Will it be YouTube? Will it be TikTok? Or will it be more than these platforms? But the pro tip here is start with 1 or 2. What I see often with my clients who are also SMEs is that they want to be in a lot of places and they want to put the same content everywhere because they don't have enough of a muscle to be creating that much content for 4 different platforms. So what I suggested, pick and choose. If you have content that is fit for Instagram, start there. Maybe also start posting it on YouTube, but don't expect too much out of it. Make one platform your goal. Now we come to content. Content, of course, stems from branding as well, but I don't want to open up that discussion. I'll just work here with the assumption that everyone knows what a brand is, right? And what content is driven through what your brand tone of voice entirely is. आप relatable होना चाहते हैं, आप aspirational होना चाहते हैं, या आप चाहते हैं कि जो आपका user है वही आपके brand को dictate करे. उसका usage ही आपका brand का tone of voice है. That's user generated content. And again, pro tip here is कि format भी matter करता है, whether it's a reel you're creating, whether it's a carousel post you're creating, every post type serves a different purpose. So it depends on what you want to do. Just be authentic. Media. There's always room for organic traction also on digital, which is why हम organic और paid को divide करते हैं. अब हमसे अक्सर क्लाइंट्स ये पूछते हैं कि क्या मुझे पेड एड्स चलानी चाहिए या नहीं, या मुझे ऑर्गेनिक पे ही फोकस रखना चाहिए. द मंत्रा इज डू बोथ. Try testing some boosts from time to time, but also keep focusing on creating good quality content that gets your organic impressions up. Tactics में ये सारी चीज़ें शामिल होती हैं. सोशल मीडिया कैलेंडर, एक मंथली 30 डेज का आपके पास कैलेंडर होना चाहिए जब भी आप एक डिजिटल मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी बना रहे हो. टैक्टिक ये है कि क्या पोस्ट होगा, किस दिन पोस्ट होगा. वो सारे सवालों के जवाब आपको इन 4 कोर्स से पहले मिलेंगे. नाउ दैट वी नो कि